Hey guys, good morning. I did a live with you just a few minutes ago to tell you what are the five things you can do to make the quality of your life better immediately. How do you get into a happy space fast? If you're feeling sad or if you're going through something and you want to immediately uplift your mood, what can you do? So here are my five quick tips which will work every time. The first tip is listen to good music. Listen to something uplifting, something soulful, something melodious, and it'll immediately bring your mood up. But I want to tell you one thing. When you choose the piece of music that you want to listen to, make sure that the lyrics are really nice and it's uplifting, like something positive. You could hear something in Hindi or in English, and but it should have good lyrics. It shouldn't have anything that puts you back into a bad mood. Don't listen to a sad song under any circumstances. So choose your music well. It should be uplifting, immediately put you in a good mood. So that was number one. Number two is do something that will make you feel immediately good, like about the quality of your life. Let's say you can pamper yourself. Like, what is your idea of pampering yourself, which will make you feel good? For a lot of men, if they've been growing a stubble, then they shave. You feel fresh, you feel clean, you feel nice. For ladies, you can do a little something for yourself that's not too expensive. Go get a facial, go get a hair massage, a head massage, or go blow dry your hair, which immediately makes you feel very lively and bright. It can be anything. For some people it may be cooking, making themselves a nice meal or a great cup of tea. Anything that makes you feel, oh, so pampered. Or tell somebody to make it for you. If you don't want to do it, that'd be great. If somebody does something, for us, we feel very nice. Call up that one friend who will give you the little bit of some TLC. The third thing that immediately helps when you're in a bad mood or not feeling very good is to move, is to go exercise. When I say exercise, it doesn't have to be something strenuous, like go work out in the gym and all that stuff, or like, pump iron. No, something simple, something relaxing, something easing, something that doesn't put a strain on your mind. If the working out makes you feel like that, if pumping iron makes you feel like that, if you're a guy, go for it. But if that doesn't work, take a small leisurely stroll in nature. Take a long walk, breathe deeply, take in all the good oxygen inside you, and see the birds, see the leaves on the trees. Enjoy the small things of life, and feel relaxed. You can feel all the serotonin come back into you when you start walking in nature. The birds, the noises, the sounds of nature will immediately uplift you. So that was my third tip. My fourth tip to you would be to be very, very grateful. Instead of focusing on that one problem that's not working, you can focus instead on something that is working, that is really good in your life, that you're feeling happy, grateful, energized about the moment you think about it. It can be your pet, it can be you're grateful about when it always wags its tail when it sees you, or a friend who's always happy to meet you, or the food that your mom made, or your even your help makes. She makes a great meal. Be grateful for the things you have, or what nature has given you. Maybe you're intelligent, maybe you're smart, maybe you're good looking, maybe you are rich, maybe you are there's so many things you can be grateful for. The food on the table, the job you have, the loving spouse you have, the loving friend you have, the anything that makes you feel like, wow, I am blessed. Be grateful for that, because the more grateful you are, the more you're telling the universe, thank you, I appreciate what I have. And the universe will say, here, take some more of this, I give you some more of this. So that's the fourth thing. The fifth thing which I'm going to tell you, which is so so nice, and it always works for me, is charity. Help somebody, help someone else, put a smile on their face, uplift their mood if they're not good. Get out of your funk and help them. You know, when you help another person and you help put a smile on their face, they'll be grateful, they'll be thankful, they'll be happy. You know, so the fifth thing is charity. Charity, if you can't give money, then give your time, give your energy. These things will immediately make you feel very nice about yourself as a person. So these are my 5 tips to make yourself happy immediately, and to put yourself in a good mood. If you want to join my course and you want to learn how to overcome all your hurdles in your life and have a happy, joyful, exciting life, and get all life's goodies come to you, definitely join my class. I have a law of attraction class which I do for a month. They're also available in a short, really quick way for 2 weeks as well. It's like awaken the alpha in you, that is for men, and then awaken the goddess in you, that's for women. That's the 2-week course. Then I have the full Monty with the law of attraction class, which I do for an entire month. It's like you rehaul your life, you look at all the areas which are bothering you, and you start solving them one by one, be it relationships, be it love, I said that, sorry, money, and career, and what else, whatever you can think of, confidence, fear, how to get over all these small things and make your life into a sort of turbocharged area. Not something that you feel gloomy about, something that you feel in the morning when you get out of bed, you feel, wow, here's another day and I can go out there and conquer the universe. So if you want to inculcate that kind of an attitude for yourself in your life, definitely DM me. I will tell you the rates, and if you want to just do a simple consultation, well, 1 or 2 issues, that's also there, and you can DM me and let me know what your issues are, and I will get back to you shortly. All right, take care, thank you, and have a beautiful day.